Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to uncover something that affects every single one of us, but often goes unnoticed: the small things we do at night that make us age faster. The way we treat our body during the night hours determines how we look, feel, and perform during the day. Think of your body as a high-end model. Its exterior, interior, and performance all depend on how you maintain it, especially when the lights are off. These nighttime mistakes might seem harmless, but they can silently accelerate the aging process both inside and out. The good news: every single one of these can be fixed easily without spending a single rupee or dollar. Let's dive deep into how to correct them and bring back that youthful energy and glow. When we talk about the body's exterior, we mean the skin, hair, and everything people see at first glance. It's the first layer that reflects your lifestyle. One of the biggest mistakes many people make is going to bed without cleansing their face properly. During the day, our skin collects dirt, oil, pollution, and makeup residue that clogs pores and prevents natural renewal during sleep. When you sleep with that buildup, your skin can't breathe. It's like parking a luxury car under dust and never washing it over time. The shine fades. The simple fix is to cleanse your face every night, even if you're tired. A gentle face wash or micellar water wipe is enough to keep your skin clean and fresh. Another common habit that silently ages the skin is using a rough or cotton pillowcase. Cotton absorbs moisture and skincare products from your face, leaving your skin dry and prone to fine lines. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase helps your skin retain its natural oils and prevents hair breakage. This tiny change can make a huge difference in your overall appearance over time. Now, let's move to the interior, your body's inner system. The food and drinks you consume before bed play a massive role in how your body recovers and repairs overnight. Late night eating, especially sugary snacks or heavy meals, spikes insulin levels and disrupts the body's natural repair cycle. When your digestive system is busy working all night, your body can't focus on restoring cells or producing collagen. That's why people who eat late often wake up feeling bloated, dull, and tired. The fix is simple. Try to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed, and if you need something light, go for a handful of nuts, yogurt, or herbal tea. These help your body relax and prepare for deep rest instead of overworking your system. Hydration also plays a role. Many people skip water before bed, fearing frequent bathroom trips, but mild dehydration can make your skin look tired and emphasize wrinkles. Sip a little water before sleeping to keep your body hydrated overnight. The performance of your body overnight determines how you look and feel the next morning. One of the worst nighttime mistakes is not getting enough deep sleep. Deep sleep is when your body repairs damaged cells, produces collagen, and balances hormones. Without it, you not only look older but also feel more exhausted. Poor sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen and causes inflammation. You might notice puffiness under your eyes, dull skin, and slower recovery from exercise or fatigue. To fix this, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your body to enter deep sleep naturally. Avoid caffeine or stimulants after the afternoon, and create a relaxing bedtime ritual such as dimming lights, reading, or practicing deep breathing. Another habit that affects performance is the temperature and air quality in your bedroom. Sleeping in a hot or dry room causes dehydration, restlessness, and poor oxygen flow, all of which contribute to faster aging. When your environment is too dry, your skin loses moisture and elasticity. The ideal sleeping temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius. If possible, use a humidifier to keep the air moist, or simply keep a bowl of water near your bed to improve humidity naturally. Your body performs its best when your environment supports rest and recovery. Let's talk about something equally important, protection. Just like a car's safety features keep it in good shape, your body also needs protection during rest. One of the most damaging modern habits is using electronic devices right before sleep. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TV delays the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, and tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This leads to poor sleep quality, dark circles, and hormonal imbalance that accelerates aging. Studies show that just 1 hour of screen exposure before bed can cut your melatonin levels by almost half. The fix is simple: put away all screens at least 30 minutes before bed. If you must use them, enable blue light filters or night mode. Use that time to stretch, meditate, or reflect instead. Another overlooked mistake is poor sleeping posture. Many people sleep on their stomach or face, pressing their skin against the pillow for hours. Over time, this causes wrinkles on the cheeks and forehead, and can even lead to neck stiffness. The ideal position is sleeping on your back, with your head slightly elevated to improve circulation and prevent puffiness. If that's uncomfortable, sleep on your side with a supportive pillow that keeps your spine aligned. The goal is to let your body rest in a neutral position, minimizing pressure and tension on the skin and muscles. What makes all these changes special is that they cost nothing but offer massive benefits. Most people spend a fortune on skincare, supplements, or anti-aging products, but overlook the free solutions available in their daily habits. The key to youthful energy and glowing skin isn't found in expensive creams, but in consistent, mindful nighttime routines. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Every small change you make tonight will compound over time. Your skin renews itself every 28 days, so within a month of following these habits, you can actually see and feel the difference. Another unique point about improving your nighttime habits is how it benefits your overall health, not just appearance. When you fix your sleep, hydration, and relaxation patterns, your digestion improves, your mind becomes clearer, and your hormones balance naturally. These are the real anti-aging effects that no product can replicate. You'll wake up with more energy, better focus, and a lighter mood. Your confidence increases when you feel good inside and out. Aging gracefully doesn't mean stopping time, it means working with your body instead of against it. The cost of these changes is practically zero, but the reward is priceless. You don't have to buy luxury skincare or sleep supplements. All you need is awareness and a little discipline. The price of youth isn't measured in money, it's measured in habits. Replacing harmful routines with healing ones is the smartest investment you can make in yourself. Skip the midnight scrolling, avoid late meals, cleanse your face, and give yourself the rest you deserve. Over time, your body will repay you with radiant skin, better energy, and a more peaceful mind. When you start applying these simple nighttime habits, you'll notice subtle improvements within days. Your morning fatigue fades, your skin starts glowing, and your stress levels drop. Sleep becomes deeper, your digestion smoother, and your mind calmer. You'll feel like your body is working with you again instead of against you, and that's the true secret to slowing down aging, aligning your habits with your body's natural rhythm. Your body is designed to heal itself, you just have to give it the right environment. As we wrap up, remember that these 7 nighttime mistakes are extremely common, but they're also the easiest to fix. Sleeping with makeup, using the wrong pillowcase, eating too late, getting poor sleep, staying in a hot room, scrolling before bed, or sleeping in a bad posture. Each of these might seem minor on their own, but together they can speed up aging dramatically. The good news is that awareness is the first step to change. Once you know what's harming your body, you can take control. These small changes don't require any money, products, or fancy routines, just consistency. So, starting tonight, make a promise to yourself. Treat your nighttime routine as a form of self-care, not just something you do out of habit. Give your body and mind the rest they deserve. Cleanse your skin, hydrate your body, keep your room cool, and disconnect from screens. Create a peaceful environment that helps you recharge completely. The beauty of this process is that every night becomes an opportunity to restore, repair, and rejuvenate yourself naturally. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective wellness tips. Remember, aging is a natural process, but how fast it happens is up to you. You don't need to spend thousands to look and feel younger. All you need are better nighttime habits, a calm mind, and consistent care. Start tonight, and within a few weeks, you'll notice that your skin looks fresher, your sleep feels deeper, and your mornings start brighter. Take control of your nights, and your days will reward you with youth, confidence, and vitality. See you in the next video. Sleep well, stay healthy, and always remember, your best anti-aging secret starts every night before bed.